Hey guys, it's Alicia Soe-Cow with Alicia & Company at Long & Foster, and today I'm excited to present 404 Poplar Hill Court here in the Whitehall subdivision. As you walk in, you see formal living and dining room and a beautiful family room ready to go to have family gatherings. They've also put on an addition in the back of the kitchen, which makes a great playroom, sunroom, or just gathering space. Upstairs you have a large master bedroom with ensuite bath with double vanities and also a walk-in closet. Just off the master bedroom is also a huge laundry room, which makes a great space for crafting and storage. Down the hallway you have a hall bath with double sinks as well, and 3 separate bedrooms which are generous sized. This home also has a rear-loaded garage and plenty of space in the backyard for landscaping, adding other great entertaining space, and it has a dog run area. Thanks for taking a peek at this beautiful home. It is really in a perfect location, just minutes away from downtown Richmond and everything needed in the Richmond area. Please check it out and schedule your showing today.